Gold prices yet again traded bullish for the week, hitting the highs at 36.75-76. But what we had observed towards the end of the week, we have seen slight sluggishness, we have seen consolidation, we have seen a range bound movement throughout the rest of the week. Yes, it has struggled to trade above 36.60 and on the downside created lower lows towards 36.10 before closing the week at 36.43. What to expect in the coming week? Are we looking forward to a move beyond 3700 mark, or the highs are done and the bulls appear to be exhausted here and wait for a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly forecast. I do share my twice a day updates on gold, first with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session, such that you can profit across geographies across US, Asia, and Europe sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my abilities. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. Let's first, when you look at the movement here, after creating the neck here in Bollinger Bands, now the price is trading outside bands, consistently putting pressure on the bands to expand. But at the same time, remember the movement here is completely outside Bollinger Bands. It is definitely difficult for gold to sustain here. That is one point. Because the next candle is going to be completely outside bands. The bands are far below towards 35 80 levels here. That is the top end of the band here. Also, that is the bottom of this preceding candle, and thus there is an opportunity for gold to trade below 3580 levels in the coming week. There is a possibility rather for gold to trade below 3580, but right now it is not showing any such sign. Right now it is not showing any such weakness here that you should keep a note of. It is still staying bullish, and these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. We have seen 20 30 30% rise in different instruments in a single day, in a single trading session, defying all the indicators, and hence it is possible that it can keep moving upwards. But what we had seen last week, 3660 has offered it a very good resistance so far. So now if you see gold trading beyond 3660, that will increase the possibility of a move towards 3676 78 zone, and if it trades beyond 3676 78, I will expect a move towards 3710 and in fact 3732 levels here. Yes, it is possible that it can keep on trading bullish. Now second observation here is uh, price has taken the support here from 20 period and bounced back, and now if you look at the 5 period line here, that is the 5 weeks average here, you can see generally the price keeps itself around the 5 period line. When it is bullish, it trades above the 5 period line, and now you can see it is trading with divergence from the 5 period line here, which is right now sitting at around 3520. See what has happened here. You can see it has traded with divergence from 20 period. It has closed about 20 period, but then the next week, despite hitting the records here, it has shown an extreme pullback again towards 20 period here. That is one incidence. Second, here after staying above 20 period, we have seen a pullback towards 5 period moving average. Then here also, so the possibility of reversal increases here. And looking at the candle size, you can see this was bigger, the body size is getting smaller here. This suggests slight exhaustion in bulls at the current levels, and hence we have to watch out closely. Now 3660 is one critical milestone on the upside, and then 3676 78 zone. As long as gold prices stays below this, you have to remain cautious. The price can reverse any point of time. That is one observation. Stochastic on the weekly charts back to overbought zone, and see this is at extremes here. In general, what happens, it tries to consolidate around this zone even if it is bullish. But look at MACD, this has crossed over, and this is a bullish sign here. Though this crossover is coming at a higher zone and the downside is wide open, but it is a bullish cross. Coming week is going to remain pretty important, because if it delivers a strongly bearish candle here, this could be again the beginning of downside here in gold prices. But look at RSI just entering into overbought zone, and it sustains such overbought zone for a while before reversing. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts. The price is beautifully taking the support from the 5 period moving average here, and this has been an exceptional support so far. Next is, if you look at the last few candles, we have seen a range bound movement, we have seen a consolidation. If you look at these three candles, first it has hit the highs, it has posted a reversal candle, but it has not yet shown signs of reversal. Look at the candle here, the last candle, it has delivered higher highs and closed in green. Very, very important for gold to now trade first below 3630 mark, then 3618, 3616 mark, and if that is taken, you can expect 3596, 3600 mark. Three key levels, and then the most important one is at 3580. So once gold breaches these levels successively, once gold breaches these levels one by one, you can say that the bears are going to be active here. As and how it breaches the lower levels, we can see a possible beginning of reversal, and if at all it trades below 3580, then the possibility of a move towards 3540 levels will be very, very high, and the zone at 3540, 3520 and 3500 will be active here. Right now it is not showing signs of bearishness. Moving averages are trading with divergence and staying with bullish, staying with divergence and staying bullish here. Stock on the daily charts stayed overbought for a while. Now looking downwards, there is lot much of downside available. Let's wait for the first trading session coming week. When you see the MACD has also traded with divergence and it is showing signs of convergence. It is not that it cannot hit further highs, but it is right now showing signs of convergence, which is a slight bearish sign. The RSI on the daily charts is also extremely overbought, and this also calls for gold prices to erase some of the gains here. Possibility of a reversal is very, very high. Now the last one, the 4-hour charts. When you look at the 4-hour charts, look at this twin top, triple top here rather, and lower lows. So this is a flat top and lower lows. You can see 3660 levels offered it a very, very good resistance so far. Hitting the highs, it is delivering lower lows, means it has a potential to move towards 361618 or in fact 3600 mark here. Look at the last few candles showing the reversal. It has stayed in zone. I'll wait for it to stay below 3638 mark first, then 3630 mark second, and then 361618 mark here. If these levels are taken, more bearishness is going to prevail, and this could happen towards the very first trading session itself. Stochastic is bearish here as well. The MACD is also bearish, and the RSI is also looking downwards on the 4-hour charts. Coming to the monthly, and before we look into monthly charts, if you look at Heikin-Ashi as well, you can see what has happened here. See, we have seen straight greener candles here in gold, and again it is starting to deliver bigger greener candles. What has happened here? Can we see some identical move here? What followed this was a good pullback. I will definitely watch out for the coming week. It is possible that it can hit the highs and show you a pullback immediately. This is something which you should be watchful of. Similarly, on the daily charts also, if you see the straight greener candles, it has not yet shown any red sign. It has not yet shown any reversal here. Even there was a reversal sign here, but the price right now traded bullish. Definitely you have to wait for the gold to trade below 3630, 36 1618 mark. That will confirm further bearishness here, and that will be the beginning of possible reversal towards 20 period, which is right now sitting quite lower. See, the 5-period moving average has definitely so far has offered an extremely strong support here. And on the 4-hour charts also, see, interestingly, on the 4-hour charts, we can see the rise here, then the reversal, the retracement, then the reversal, then the rise, and it is showing a reversal. It is trading red, which is a beginning, which is a possible sign that this could be the beginning of a further drop all the way towards 3600 mark here. Let's wait for the first trading session in the coming. Likewise, on the monthly chart, see, after consolidating here for a month, this is a breakout candle on Heikin-Ashi as well. But let's now focus on the normal candlesticks here. You can see the 5 months average is definitely a good support, and price is now starting to diverge after showing consolidation for 3 to 4 months. Ideally that could have become a reversal sign, but price is given a breakout this month. Yes, trading below, beyond 3440, 3450 mark, we have seen a good run so far. Now if you look at the movement here, See, yes, this is an increasing body size, and I think the highs for the month are possibly done, and there is a, or in fact, even if it tries to breach, it can best move towards 3710, because beyond 3710 the next targets are towards 3800 mark. See, these are markets, though anything and everything is possible, but I can see slight sluggishness in the upward move here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is at extremes here on the monthly charts. Where it closes the month is going to remain very, very important. RSI extremely overbought. So things on the monthly charts are definitely extremely overbought. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. And before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 34th mentorship batch starting coming Monday, 15th of September. Couple of seats are still available. Equip yourself with tools, techniques, strategies which we have developed with our years of experience, and trade with profits. Learning is the only investment which can give you profits throughout life. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. If you are just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will only recommend you to buy at 36.52, expect 36.58.60, first and very strong resistance zone. In fact, I will say 36.70 mark as well. Once it trades beyond 36.70, be cautious of 36.76, 78 next. Let it stay beyond 36.78. The bulls will be taking over from here. Yes, we can expect 36.92, 37.10, and then 37.32. Beyond 37.32, stay bullish for 37.56, and then 3800 mark as well. But this is on the buy side. I can see definitely greater hurdles here and here. In my personal understanding, it should not breach 3710, but yes, if it does, there is no other option but to stay bullish from there. Else, till 3710, I will say possibility of a reversal will be very high. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 36 levels. Expect 36 30 28 first target, 36 16 18 the next, and then below this I will be looking forward to 3604, 3595, and then 3580. Once gold trades below 3580, stay short for 3562, 3548, and then in fact 3520 levels very soon. In fact, 3500 cannot be denied. As and how it breaches past the levels on the downside, the bearish momentum is going to increase. You should be trading with caution there. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Do not miss to watch the daily reviews every day, and do join the mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.